How to log in to your Twitch account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in to your Twitch account. So let us begin. First of all, make sure that you've installed the Twitch app. If you don't have it, you can install it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you do that, simply open it up and you will see the two options. First is login, the other is to sign up. If you have an account, tap on login. If you don't have an account and you want to create one, tap on sign up. Now we'll go to the login, and right here you will need to type in your username. Type in your username and type in your password and simply tap on login and you will be able to log in to your Twitch account. So you can even type in your username and the password here. If you have trouble logging in, tap on trouble logging in here and they will just help you. So you can get back to your account from this if you have forgotten your email or password. I mean your username or password. So yeah, that is basically how you log in into your Twitch account, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye.